Alright, YouTube family, this is gonna be a quick video about your kingpin being attached to your fifth wheel. Gotta make sure we're doing these tug tests out here, because it is easy to drop one of these trailers if you hadn't did a tug test. Now my process is, once I back up to my trailer and I hear that kingpin snap, 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 before I even do a tug test, because sometimes it don't even be clamped, it sound like it be clamped. I'll get out, we're gonna do that process while we on. I'll get out, take and go to the back. Speaking of this wheel here. And as you can see, it's open. As you can see, it's open. You'll know it's open because this latch will be pulled out. Once it's closed, it's pushed in. So always make sure your latch is open. And it should automatically open in some of these trucks. Some of you gotta get out and pull. What I'm speaking of right now is this pin right here. So we gotta make sure that pin is clamped inside that fifth wheel. But before you actually pull off, I've seen it where some of these clamps sound like they clamped, but they didn't clamp. So I always leave my legs down. I always leave my landing gear down before I do my tug test. And then once I back up. What's going on, bro? You doing all right today? Yes, sir. When I back up to the trailer, I'll get out and look and make sure those clamps on there. And if you're at nighttime, you're definitely gonna need a flashlight, and sometime in the daytime. So my trailer is not ready right now. Once it get ready, I'm gonna go through that process again and show you guys how I back up to the fifth wheel, get out and check and make sure the clamping jaws have clamped around the pin that's on the trailer, and I'll do a tug test. From that point, that's what we're gonna do. And track the brake, trailer brake. Track the brake, trailer brake. Can't get it twisted. The tractor brake is yellow and the trailer brake is red. Be back in the future.